Every photographer dreams about shooting the most incredible locations the world has to offer. After so many years in the industry, I finally got the opportunity to shoot a location I've been dreaming about shooting since the day I picked up a camera. One second, I'm gonna get a sneaking awesome shot of these guys right here. Welcome to today's video. We are in California today in the Big Sur area shooting a maternity session on the beach. It's an absolutely gorgeous day out here and we are so pumped to get shooting. We tried the first location, the actual main Pfeiffer Beach area, and we got turned away at the gate, so we had to come up the road, Highway 1 up this way to get to another shooting area. I'm a little bit bummed not to be shooting Pfeiffer Beach because that's a big dream location for me, so I'll have to come back and do that another time, but we're gonna jump right into this session, so we're gonna get started here. All right, Maria, you ready? I might have you, would you mind sitting like right here?
I can try.
See if that works. It might look weird. Look that way, then down at your shoulder.
Hold on.
The hair. Perfect. Awesome, stand up. Like right about there. Look that way. Weight on one foot. Cool. Okay, let's jump back up. We'll have you change and then we'll get really after it. We're gonna take everything out of your pockets. Now we're gonna go over this way. Sometimes I take pictures of Nick. Nice. Sometimes. Perfect. Maria, get the leg closest to me popping. Look at each other. Josiah, put your spare hand on the belly. Look down at your belly, snuggle the heads in, touch them in towards each other, look at each other.
Sorry about my hair.
Sorry, that's part of it. These things are kind of dusty. Both hands on it. Turn a little bit more towards me. Right there. Smiles down at your belly. Awesome, you can toss that thing. One hand under, one over. Smile down at your shoulder closest to me. Perfect. And then just look down at your belly. Josiah, come in here. Bring your chin down though. Just snuggle in there. Yeah, Maria smiles here.
Right?
Yeah, you got it. Maria can kind of lead, yep. And then I want you to stop right there, turn towards me, come back towards me. Yep, look at each other, slow it down, slow it down. Sweet. Okay, cool. Yeah, let's head back this way. Those were bang them. Good. Hopefully. Smush in. Just turn those faces in towards each other a little bit. Yeah. I want to see a little bit more. Josiah's face will bring yours up a little bit. Maria, eyes here. And you can feel the pressure change. I see the skies getting darker. Cause the weatherman says it's gonna rain. Go ahead, call us outlaws. Under. Look past me. Both just how you're out. One up, one down. Pop the leg. Beautiful. Okay, cool. Josiah's footprints look funny out here. Awesome. Smiles at each other. Take one step this way. Right there. Look at each other. We are a hurricane. Quick kiss right there. Actually, no, I like that. Snuggle back in. And then do a fake brush back. Straight towards me. Right here. Perfect. Cool. Let me get your hands. All right. Yeah, the tide's coming in now. And then stop right there. Look at each other. Then keep walking. Yeah, there we go. Sweet. When the water's gone, I want to cut in this way again. I'm gonna get wide. One under, Maria. Stop right there and look at each other. Walk it towards me. Get flingy. Just how we're gonna kick you out. We're just gonna do Maria right here. One under. Look up out towards the, yep. Then look here. Then look up that way. Turn. Hands in pockets, Josiah. One step this way, Josiah. Right there. Looking at Maria. Maria, you look down at your belly. Stop right there. Look out towards the water. Yeah, Maria, hold that dress out. Just hold on to your belly there. Both hands here. Look past me.
Look out.
So we just wrapped up the session. I didn't have much of a chance to talk. Things just get kind of crazy and we're trying to jump around to different spots. It seems like somebody's always in the one spot that you're headed to. So we had to kind of jump around. There was absolutely no clouds, which actually can be kind of tough. The sun's a lot different out here in California. You can shoot a little bit earlier, in my opinion. It's a little bit just a softer feel to it. Yeah, so we're gonna hit the road. We got about an hour and a half to drive back home tonight. And then maybe we'll get some of these photos done. But it seemed like a lot of my favorite pictures were really that like last 30 seconds of daylight, 5 minutes of daylight. That's when it really got incredible. It's a little bit blown out before that, but yeah, this is incredible. This is the type of stuff that I just love to shoot. This is kind of the kind of stuff that you get into it for, is shooting the beaches like this. But yeah, I think we're gonna hit the road. So if you haven't already, follow us on Instagram at ForteMKE. We appreciate you watching so much. Hit the subscribe button. We're trying to make a lot more content just like this. This has been Matt with Forte Films and Stills. We'll see you on the next video. Looks pretty incredible out here. It never stops. What a crazy place.